Hello everyone and welcome to Turner's Tutoring. This video is a beginning readers video from Disney Stitch and it's called ABC Adventure. It's meant to help those that are learning the alphabet or just getting into reading. So let's go ahead and get started. This is Stitch, also known as Experiment 626. He was created by the alien scientist Dr. Jumba Jukaba to cause chaos and destruction wherever he went. But Stitch escaped his planet and crash-landed a spaceship on Earth, where he met Lilo and her big sister Nani. Now they are a family. I am Grand Councilwoman, leader of the United Galactic Federation. I have given Stitch a very important job. I've asked him to teach me about life on Earth and its unusual alphabet. I hope to learn all about the ABCs, and I also hope Stitch has learned to stay out of trouble. Let's see if he has stayed out of trouble. A. A is for arms. When I first landed on Earth, I had 4, which made snacking so much easier. B. B is for bath. It makes you smell good and feel terrible. C. C is for camera. You use it to take pictures, which are like printouts of your memories. D. D is for driving. I like driving, but I love driving fast. E. E is for eating. Humans here seem confused about my food preferences. F. F is for folding. This is a folding chair. Actually, every chair is a folding chair if you push hard enough. G. G is for good. A good friend will make you comfortable, even if it makes them uncomfortable. H. H is for hammock. It's like a sheet without a bed. I. I is for ice cream. If you eat it too fast, you'll get a headache. But if you eat it too slow, it will melt. Risk the headache. I think he's absolutely right. J. J is for jump. When you wear a cape, you have to jump. It lets bad guys know you mean business. K. K is for kiss. It's when you put your face right up to someone but don't eat them. L. L is for lick. On Earth, people use a tissue to blow their nose, but only because they can't do this. Yuck. M. M is for mess. Making a mess is a lot of fun, especially if someone else has to clean it up. N is for nap. That's when you want to sleep, but don't want to put on pajamas. O. O is for ocean. It's like a bath that fights back. P. P is for problem. You can't make every problem better, but you can make every problem worse. Q. Q is for quiet. Sometimes I am quiet, though never on purpose. R. R is for rushing. Even if I don't know where I'm going, I like to get there in a hurry. S. S is for straw. I use one in a coconut, which is nature's perfect juice box. T. T is for teeth. You need to take care of your teeth so you can smile at the people you like and bite the people you don't. No, don't bite. U. U is for ukulele. It has fewer strings than a guitar and more strings than a trumpet. V. V is for vinyl. There are lots of ways to listen to music, but vinyl records are the tastiest. W. W is for wet. The goal of surfing is to go out into the middle of the ocean, then try not to get wet. X. X is for X-ray. It shows you your bones. This is probably how hungry dogs see the world. Y. Y is for yelling. Sometimes things are too quiet. Yelling is a great way to fix that. Z. Z is for zap. More arms equals more zap. Zap, zap. I think he accomplished his mission in learning the ABCs. Thank you for joining me for this beginning reader about the alphabet or learning our ABCs. I hope you guys have a fun one, and this has been Turner's Tutoring. Goodbye.